Hey guys, welcome back to Beardy Lumber. Matthew and I greatly appreciate you tuning in. Look at this stack of lumber behind us. It just came out of the kiln. It finished yesterday morning, and then we sterilized it overnight. It's up over 140 degrees for 24 hours, so if there's any bugs in it, they're dead bugs. So, why is it sitting here? Well, it's not mine. It belongs to a sawmill customer. He saw this for his customer and asked if we'd dry it, and we did. And then he asked if we'd plane it, and I said yes. I'm kind of wishing now that we got to do it, I might have said no or charged more. And you walk over here on the end, Matthew will show you why. Okay, Matthew's professional help here couldn't shut up, so he went ahead and played the intro, I'm sure. We're talking about how big this is. I very rarely cut anything this size because it's just problematic, but the sawmill customer, the other sawyer, called me and asked me about it, and I told him when he priced it to his customer, I said, make sure and tell him that when you get 16 wide, you're prone to crack, split, warp. I mean, bad things gonna happen. I actually got some 20-inch wide bores down here. Got 14 and a half, 14, 14, 19. They're all over the map. 14. Yeah. Best I understood, the customer had some big beams that they were wanting to wrap. So, and they didn't want to have to piece it. So that's why they wanted these big wide pieces. And we agreed to dry them, which is no big effort for us drying. But I agreed that we would plane them. So now we're going to bite the bullet. And they're 16 foot long too. Remind me next time, Matthew. You know, there's lessons you learn in life the hard way. I think the time we get done with this one, we're going to chalk that up as another lesson learned the hard way.
Charge more.
Charge more. But I try to be fair with everybody. We do this by a board foot price. It is pine. It will plane pretty quick. I did tell him to make sure to saw them a little extra thick in case they crowned or bowed, that there'd be enough material that you could still get a good flat board out of it. And they did. They kind of ranged from 1.25 inches to some of them almost 1.5 inches, 1.375 inches. But planer will make them all even. It can be a lot of time lapse here, people. I'm sorry. It just takes hours to run this kind of material through here. So if we see something interesting to talk about, or if we just get wore out, we'll stop and talk to the camera a minute. So hang on, we get everything set up. We're going to start running this. guys, I hope you stayed through that time lapse. Ain't no other way to do it. This was that was roughly 4 hours of planing. We ended up with them all the same size. Of course, the thin ones we run through at one pass, and the thicker ones we'd back up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns, run them through, bring them all back down to 0. So they're all equal thickness. They're right at 1 inch. Hopefully tomorrow we can do a pass on both sides, get it down to about 7/8, and we're gonna call it good. Everything in life's a learning experience. Been a while since I played one by 14s, 16s, 19s. Probably should have charged a little more, but we didn't. We're not gonna go up on the price. We'll take it, you know, on the chin and move on. It's not like we're not getting paid. We're getting paid, but for future reference, yeah, it'll be a little more next time, because there's a lot of work in there. These are 16 foot long. I'm hurting. I'm ready to go to the house. That's going to do it for today. It's late. It's after 8 o'clock. Matthew's wife done been calling him 2 or 3 times. Where you at? I think she's got supper ready. So we're going to get out of here, guys. We'll check back with you in the morning and try to finish running this. Appreciate you watching. Hang on. We'll be right back. Okay guys, camera died. Matthew told me about halfway through somewhere it clicked off there. It took us 1.5 hours to run that pass. There's 73 boards. I finally counted them. The smallest ones are 14.5, 15, and some of the biggest ones were 19.5. That's a handful. That's a job. But luckily they don't have to go to 3/4. We just need to get them clear enough, because they're wrapping some beams, so they didn't care about the thickness. But we're gonna run one more pass. That should get us right at 7/8 of an inch, and that'd be acceptable. Things you do when you want to make money. You don't say no. You say, yeah, bring it on. We'll get it done. That's what we're here for, is to work. We kiln dried it. Now we're doing the last part of the process. Like I say, probably gonna take 1.5 hours, so we're gonna get through it. Just hang on for the ride. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, the wood has moved. It's loaded on Green River Sawyer's trailer, and he's getting ready to take it home. And like I always say, this is the best site of woods you'll see. Load it up and leave it. But we do appreciate Matthew and Cody dropping this off. Glad to do our part. We kiln dried it and planed it, and they're gonna take it home and give it to their customer, and hopefully he's happy with it as well. That's what you gotta do to make the world go round. You know, you gotta work together with partners you got in the neighborhood. Maybe it's similar in industry or different. In our case, it's very similar. They do a lot of sawing, a lot of pole barn building, but they don't have a kiln, and we do. So we're glad to do it for them. As always, guys, we appreciate you watching. If you get a chance, check out Solomon at Third Beard Fishing. We appreciate him and Matthew doing our videos. That's going to do it for today, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.